Hey everyone, welcome to the Bit Size podcast from Yamprala Media. So, in this short podcast, we will be telling you guys about the design process of how we make designs for our clients in Yamprala Media. So the first thing starts with a discovery call, which is the meaning like we get on a call on a Zoom or a Google Meet with our clients and discuss that what they want to achieve from the design. For example, if we have a client from food industry and they are releasing some stuff for discount and they want some traffic to come from social media to their website, then what we'll be designing is that we'll be making a framework based on their inputs. And so if we have taken that example, let me just dissect that. Then what we will be having is that in the first section of the square frame, we'll be having an attractive food image. Then we'll be having some content, and in that content one or two of the lines will be popping up, something which can attract the user. Then we'll be having a call to action, as our client wants to transfer their social media audience to their website so that the user can directly book whatever the food or get a delivery from Zomato or Swiggy, they can get from there. So three categories, like three subsections. One, there will be a image which will be an attractive one, and we'll make sure that it is not any copyright one. So we'll not take the image from direct Google, but we'll be taking that image from the free sources, free stock sources. Then our content writer will be framing a draft content so that the client can have their ideas implemented on that. And then we will be having a call to action to just go visit, like link in bio if we are posting that on Instagram, and on LinkedIn we will directly telling the users to go and check out the caption. So these will be the three subsections of the design. So in the discovery call we had a framework. Then what we'll be doing, we'll be having a in team discussion with my team, and we'll be brainstorming ideas. So one of my team member who is director of creativity, like he used to take a ultimate decision, is Abdul Muzir. You can find about him on oneu.in/Abdul, Abdul. Next, what will be happening here is we'll be brainstorming. So we generally use two sources to get inspiration or ideas. So first, we'll be going on Pinterest and we'll be typing some of the keywords suggested by the team, and we'll be dropping them into an mood board. So we'll be creating that mood board on Figma. If you are looking to learn Figma, we'll be soon launching our course on Graphy by an academy. So be in touch, follow us on this Spotify, Anchor, or Google Podcast, wherever you're listening to this, and you will get the updates. So we'll be creating the mood board on Figma. Then that was the first source. Like the first source is Pinterest, and the second source is Behance from Adobe. So from these both, we'll be getting the ideas, and this will be our second step. The third step will be making the design implemented on different social platforms. So what we used to have is we have some dummy accounts like on our own. So those will be testing accounts, like how this post will be looking on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, or we can also post that on Pinterest. So we have some private accounts on all the social platforms, and we'll be putting that draft designs onto them, and we'll be doing a user search. Like we know that any user used to have a scrolling behavior, so we want them to stop and click on the design. So we'll be testing that design through our testing team, and based on their inputs we'll be making final draft of the design. And then in the last step, the fourth step, we'll be sending that design to the client. And like this, in a cycle the work used to go on. So this is our total process of how we design. So in a summary, there are total 4 steps. The step number 1 is discovery. Step number 2 is brainstorming. Step number 3 is testing, and step number 4 is sending that to the client. And if there is any changes, we do it in iterations. So that's it, guys. This is our process. If you liked it and if you like the short podcast like this, give us a follow on Spotify, Anchor, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and any other platform where you're listening to this. And we will see you in next one.